Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today I have BTS's Epilogue DVD. So this is the front with holographic petals. Sorry for the glare. I still have the plastic wrap on. So yeah, what am I even saying? There are some holographic petals and it says Epilogue and it has a picture of them, which is so pretty. And this is the side, holographic as well, and it says 2016 BTS Live on Stage Epilogue. And then this is the back with the track list. So part 1 is like the main concert, part 2 some extra songs, and disc 3 is a special feature disc. And here it's region 3, and then the other side just looks like this. Yep. I'm just gonna slip this out now. Hopefully it comes out easily. Okay, fabulous. I really apologize for the shoddy filming over the last few videos. I don't have a tripod anymore or a good setup, but once I do get one, I promise it will be better. Okay, so on the actual slipcover, the picture of them on stage is actually imprinted on, similar-ish to the previous DVD. And also there's I'm not sure if the printing came off from the front or if the actual cover has some rose petals on it, if you can see. I don't know. Anyway, so this is the front of the little slip, and then it slips out again. Okay, 1 second. Slips out again, so it's this little slip here, and then, sorry, my pants. Mine came a little dented, but that's okay. So I love how it's like holographic. It looks so nice. So this is the front of the little case thing, and the side with the big booklet. Sorry, I saw the photo card. I got Jin! That's a really nice card of him. I actually really liked his picture, so I don't mind. Yay! Okay, so I got Jin. Probably flipped that open way too quickly, but let me just, this is the side, and over here the side says Epilogue, and then the same track list but on like a holographic back. So when you open it up, you've got disc 1 here, and then the booklet, and then another flip, disc 2, and special features on disc 3. So I really like the design of it this time. It looks so nice. So I'll put this to the side, and I'm not sure if I showed the back. That's what it looks like. And ignore my nails as well. I said that in my previous video. Don't have any nail polish remover with me because I'm currently overseas. Alright, irrelevant. So this says the same thing. It's just white and has all their names in the corner. Okay, this is where it gets messy, and I apologize. Focus. Oh, my photo book is dented in the corner. Rat Monster. Where's Rat Monster? I don't even see him. Oh, there he is. Sorry. I really didn't like Rat Monster's hair in this time period. It was just too short. But I like the colour. J-Hope. V. What is he wearing? A towel? Why is it so blurry? Jungkook. Oh my god. Oh my god. We've got SUGA. Oh, I love this picture. So nice. All these people who managed to get into the picture with them. So lucky. Jimin doing his iconic hair flip back. Jin. And then got Seoul in Seoul. So 16th. Oh, sorry, not 16th. It's the 7th and the 8th. Right? I don't even know. Korea, they like format the date differently in Korea. It's really confusing. The behind the scenes practicing. What is he wearing? Looks like a postman's outfit. You know, when they deliver mail. Got more practice pictures. I love seeing these behind the scenes ones. With like no makeup and everything. Ooh, so fluffy. Sorry, my like earphones are in the way. Let me just move them. Oh, love that. With lots of behind the scenes pictures. I wish it was all region though, the DVD, because I don't think they'll play on my computer, so I'll have to watch it on all region DVD player. Throwing up bowls. Okay, now these are the actual concert pictures, I think. Oh gosh, I apologize. So, before the concert. Oh my god, look at SUGA. So chic. Oh my god, he looks so good. Ah! Look at him. Oh my gosh. I loved his grey hair. Oh, I like this. So colourful. That's a really nice picture. I wish there was a bigger version of that. Okay, and the start of the concert, and oh my god, Jimin. Look at his messy hair, I love it. I really like V's hair. It's so soft looking. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. J-Hope looking schmexy as usual. Jin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Can SUGA not? Oh, I really like that picture. That is such a nice shot. All the army bombs in the background. Sorry if you hear stuff in the background, that's the TV. Some action shots, you could say. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I'm like zooming in on all of SUGA's pictures because he's just, oh my god. And Jimin's black hair and oh my gosh. Oh my god, sorry. So it always gets harder at the end. Oh my gosh. I need to get my setup organized. So more dancing action shots. I've got the fan banners. Forever We Are Young. And the ball throwing. So cute. Jin kissing the bowl. Oh my god, SUGA ruining my life as usual. Oh my god. Sorry, I have an octopus with 3 legs on my hand. Okay. Oh, I love that picture. It's so cute. So cute. Jaeho always smiling. Jungkook, oh look at him with the tear. That's a really nice shot. Who's that? Jimin and V. Cute. Last few shots. Oh, I wonder who that is who's kneeling. If someone can comment below and tell me. I probably could watch the DVD and find out, to be honest, but oh, I love that shot with all the army bombs. The banners. That's so nice. And then we've got the credits. Special thanks to the most beautiful army. Oh, that's so cute. And then, oh look, there's like glue. I'm not sure if you can see that. And that's it. That's it. That's pretty spectacular. Alright. I apologize again for the shoddy camera work. But look at it. I really like it. This is such a good picture of him. I really liked SUGA's card as well. So, was wanting that. But, meh, it's okay. I don't trade BTS cards usually. So, I'm happy with what I get. I don't know, just BTS is one of those groups where I don't mind. In the end, I never trade. Because I have 2 biases and it gets too confusing, and I usually like all of them anyway, all of their cards, so I'm okay with it. But I really like the design of it this time, with the petals and everything and the holographic. It just looks so nice. Yeah, okay, well, that's it, and I apologize again for the messy camera work, but I promise it'll get better eventually. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you guys later. Bye.